birthday cake! Yay! So first we have to add some flour. We're adding it. Okay. Now we will add some cocoa powder. Smells good. And now we have to add some sugar. And we're gonna add some butter. And now we have to add a teaspoon of baking powder. Now we will add baking soda. And we will add salt. And now we'll add some milk. And now we're gonna add eggs. And now we'll mix it up. Stirring, stirring, mixing, mixing, la la la. This is gonna be so good. Can't wait to eat it. Let's add some more milk. Wow, this looks so good. It even smells so good. Time to put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. A birthday dance. Can't wait. And now it's ready. But we're gonna add the best ingredient ever. Chocolate frosting. Look at this cake. It's so good. I hope it will taste so good. Time to add some chocolate frosting with Ibrahim. We're adding so many. Wow, so chocolatey and delicious. Maybe we'll get cavities after eating this. Let's eat the cake. Let's see how it tastes. It's so good. So tasty, so delicious. Now Ibrahim will try it. Ibrahim also likes it. Yay. He got some chocolate on his finger. This is the best chocolate cake in the world. Eat it, Ibrahim.